He on Farm Water Management, OFWM. Wing of the Agriculture Department is a major driving force behind transforming Punjab's agriculture sector into a science-based, vibrant, and internationally linked industry. OFWM plays a crucial role in the strategic development of agriculture and rural areas in Punjab. Since its establishment in 1976, OFWM has made significant contributions to the socio-economic growth in rural economy by enhancing the conveyance, application, and water use efficiency of available water supplies through the adoption of efficient and productive technologies. OFWM follows an integrated development approach, focusing on achieving more crop per drop of water by implementing a variety of climate-smart interventions. These include improving watercourses in canal-commanded areas, rehabilitating irrigation schemes outside canal commands, installing high-efficiency irrigation systems, drip and sprinkler, providing laser land leveling units for precision land leveling services in the private sector, providing solar systems for operating high-efficiency irrigation systems, constructing water storage ponds, capacity development, awareness creation, and research and development activities. These activities are implemented on a cost-sharing basis, with the active involvement of the private sector and farming communities.